Our bodies, the ground we stand on, and even the twinkling stars in the distance. What is all this made of? Modern physics has come up with the most sophisticated answer to this question in human history. It is the Standard Model. The first problem is that there is no force we are most familiar with, gravity. The Standard Model perfectly explains the three forces of the microscopic world, but it does not include the gravitational forces that govern the macroscopic world. Einstein's theory of relativity and quantum mechanics have not yet been able to make a living in one house. Second, we only know 5% of the universe. Dark matter and dark energy, which make up the remaining 95% of the universe, cannot be explained by any particles in the Standard Model. The Standard Model, as we know, may be the tiny corner of the huge puzzle of the universe. The third is matter-antimatter asymmetry. Theoretically, matter and antimatter should have been created in the same amount immediately after the Big Bang, met each other, and disappeared. But now the universe is all about matter. Where did all the antimatters go? The Standard Model does not give a cool answer to the cause of this imbalance. The fourth is a neutrino called a ghost particle. Originally, in the Standard Model, a neutrino should have a mass of 0. But because of actual experiments, it turned out that it has a very small mass. It was the moment when a typo was discovered in the theory. The fifth is the hierarchical problem. The Higgs boson gives mass to the particles that make up all things. However, the mass of this Higgs particle is much lighter than the theoretical prediction. It's like a grain of sand floating between a huge mountain range. Finally, the Standard Model has 19 free parameters, or constants. These are values such as the mass of electrons and the strength of the force. So why should these numbers be that value? The Standard Model simply accepts these numbers as they were, and does not explain the underlying reason. That's why physicists around the world are still looking beyond the Standard Model. New physics such as string theory and supersymmetry theory are the main characters. The Standard Model may not be the end, but a stepping stone to a greater truth. Will mankind be able to find the true blueprint of the universe? Next time, we will come to the deeper mysteries of the universe. Thank you for reading.